Hello everyone, I am Landry F. Ultra from BS Marine Biology 2. Today, I am doing an TED Talk about the title Understanding Each Other, Communication in a Multicultural World. Have you ever took someone from a different culture and feel confused? Maybe they speak a different language. Maybe their gesture or action are different from yours. Today, I will talk about communication in multicultural settings and why it is very important in our world today. So, what is multicultural communication? Multicultural communication means talking and understanding people from different gesture. It concludes language, traditions, beliefs and values, ways of speaking, and body language. So, in simple words, it is how we communicate with people who are different from us. Why is this important? We live in a global world. In school, work, and online, we meet people from different provinces, different countries, different religions, and different backgrounds. So if we do not understand each other, it can cause misunderstanding, conflict, hard feelings. But if we communicate well, it can create respect, friendship, teamwork, and peace. So the challenge is this: how can we understand each other if we are different? So, sometimes, word means different things. Hand gestures have different meanings. Tone of voice can sound rude even if it's not. For example, in some cultures, looking directly in the eyes shows confidence. In other cultures, it can mean disrespect. So, we must be careful and open-minded. I learned that good communication is not just about speaking. It is about listening carefully, respecting differences, and being patient and avoiding judgment. I also learned that misunderstandings are normal, but we can solve them by asking questions politely. Phrases or how to improve multicultural communication. So, here are simple ways to improve. First is listen more than you speak. Second, ask question politely. The third is do not allow out accents or mistakes. Four is learn about other cultures. The last is be respectful at all times. For example, if your classmate speaks slowly in English, do not interrupt. Give them time. That is respect. Communication is powerful. When we understand each other, we build unity, kindness, and cooperation. In the future, many of us will work with people from other countries. If we practice respect now, we will become better leaders and better citizens. In conclusion, communication in multicultural setting is not always easy, but if we listen, respect, and stay open-minded, we can turn difference into strengths. Because at the end of the day, we may come from different cultures, but we all want the same thing, to be understood. Thank you. Okay.